Why should you file an intent to use trademark? Imagine having a great idea for a brand but not quite ready to sell your product or service yet. You might wonder if you should wait or act now. That's where filing an intent to use trademark application comes into play. When you file this type of application, you are claiming a future right to a trademark before you actually start selling or offering your goods or services. It gives you an official filing date, which is super important because in trademark law, the first person to file or use a mark generally wins the rights. This early filing date acts like a timestamp, helping you stand out if someone else tries to register a similar mark later. It's a way to lock in your priority, even if you are not ready to launch your product immediately. If you plan to sell within the next 6 months, filing an intent to use application can be a smart move. Plus, you can extend this period up to 3 years, giving you plenty of time to prepare your business, develop your branding, or do market research. Another benefit is public notice. When you file an intent to use application, it becomes part of the official trademark database. This notifies others that you plan to use this mark, which can discourage competitors from trying to register or use a confusingly similar name. It also helps you build a record of your intentions, which can be useful later if someone challenges your rights. Filing an intent to use application is also flexible. You don't have to rush into using the mark right away. Instead, you can focus on developing your product or service, knowing your rights are protected once you start commercial use. To keep your application active, you will need to submit proof of actual use within the time allowed, which is usually 6 months to 1 year after the notice of allowance. If you miss this deadline, your application could be abandoned. In the big picture of trademark and patent law, this process helps balance the need for early protection with the reality of business development. It allows you to secure your rights before you go to market, which is especially helpful if your brand is unique and you want to prevent others from jumping ahead. So, filing an intent to use trademark is a strategic move that can save you headaches and protect your brand as you prepare to grow your business.